Let's talk about the importance of an engagement session. We're gonna go over the importance of an engagement session from a photographer perspective as well as a client perspective. One of the most important things is that the engagement session gives you the opportunity to get to know each other. As a client, you get to understand and know how your photographer works, what it's like to work with them, what their prompts feel like, and the overall flow of how they shoot. From a photographer perspective, you also get to know your clients and the couple that you're working with. You get to know what their chemistry looks like. Are they soft and romantic? Are they super playful? And you also get to gauge how comfortable they are in front of the camera and work on that a little bit with them in case they're a little nervous. So it's like practice for the wedding day. It's the perfect opportunity. It also gives you the ability to know what poses prompt the most organic reactions. And that's what we're all going for, is just what makes them look the most natural. So knowing what poses work well will help you achieve that. By doing this, it also ensures that you are going to have a good flow on the wedding day. Everyone already knows exactly what to expect, and we know how well we work together. The engagement session is also a no pressure opportunity to get your photos taken. This is where you can get really creative. As a client, you want your engagement session to feel like you. You want all of your photos to feel like you, but the engagement session is where you can really make it fun. If you and your fiance love making pizza at home, then let's do an engagement session in your home where you're comfortable doing what you guys really enjoy doing, because we want your engagement session to feel like you and to be super organic. It's also a chance for the photographer to get super creative. The wedding day doesn't always allow for things like this, so this is really the opportunity to put an extra flair and personal touch on your session and make it super fun. So if you like to rollerblade, like I said, you like to make pizza at home, or you love to swim and you love to be on the beach, let's make the engagement session super personal to you guys and just make it super fun. Personally, I love when my clients come to me with an idea that they have for their engagement session and we can make it really unique to them. So that is why I feel like the engagement session is so important. Comment below. I would love to hear what you guys have done for your engagement session. If you're a photographer, tell me what some of your engagement sessions have been that you've photographed. I would love to hear all about it. That's it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.